In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to permanently delete Exness account. The first thing you do is open up your Exness account, and then at the bottom here, you have some options. Tap on the profile option, and then at the top here, tap on the gear icon to open up the settings, and then you go to the last option here, which is terminate account. Tap on it to permanently delete your Exness account. Now note that the email you use to register your Exness account will be blocked because new accounts require a new email. All your data will also be deleted and it cannot be reversed. Programs will be cancelled and all your benefits will be lost. This action cannot be undone. Make sure you read the full terms and conditions by tapping here before you tap on continue. If you still insist on deleting it, tap on continue, follow the prompt, and it is as simple as that.